9 along with my fellow friend Diksha Kalas from class 9.
Yes.
And we are going to demonstrate a model on the Developed Village Palampur, where our main aim is going to be explaining all of you the different economic structures and the role of technology. Now my friend Vishakha will explain further.
Thank you, Miriam. It has a population of 450 families with various land input and caste structure. Palampur has good infrastructure like school, transport, road, health center and etc. Palampur had various economic activities like dairy farming, small manufacturing and transport. Hope you have liked our project. Thank you.
Welcome to your exhibition corner innovation. I am Sneha Sen of class 9 along with my friend
Deepika Dev, class 10.
is going to demonstrate a chemical reaction that is an acid-base reaction. Now the whole reaction process will be explained by my friend.
Here we can see the vinegar and the baking soda mixed together to make an acid-base reaction. Creates carbon dioxide gas that inflates the balloon.
Thank you. Good evening everyone. Welcome to our exhibition corner innovation. I am Sneha Sen of class 9 along with my friend is going to demonstrate a chemical reaction that is an acid-base reaction.
Creative Hands has been prepared by the students of the primary section.
Probability has been introduced in mathematics to predict how likely events are to happen. Now my fellow friend Archishman is going to proceed further.
Moment is the backbone of the
Class 9 along with my fellow friend. Today we are going to demonstrate our science model.
Take them also.
And that's very good to see that they are well prepared, standing tall today with their models. We are also displaying their projects.
further into the fascinating journey of how money evolved over time. Long ago, before money was invented, people exchanged goods they earned for other goods than needed. This practice was known as party system. However, this system had many challenges. What if the other person didn't need what you had? To solve this issue, people started using metallic coins made from precious metals like gold, silver, and bronze. This was comfortable, easy to carry, and had a fixed value, making trade much better and more efficient. Ancient civilizations like Greeks,
Parents and kids, you are requested not to touch the creative hand section exhibits.
Health is wealth. Having a good health, physically and mentally fit. To be healthy, we should eat a balanced diet and replace junk food like sugar, and chips with nutritious food. We should drink enough water. We should exercise regularly to stay fit and for proper blood circulation, do yoga. We must maintain proper posture while sitting, standing, walking, and even sleeping. We should take sufficient rest as it rejuvenates our mind and repairs the body. We should go for a morning and evening walk regularly. Here is the food pyramid. The food pyramid is a guide to how much of each food used. We should have daily serving of the food located at the top should be eaten in small quantities. While the food is the base and included abundance by the body. Now I am going to explain you about well-being. This is a subject to express our happiness, satisfaction, and opinion.
And when I move this, it shows the first part means 1 by 8, then it shows the second part means 2 by 8, and it shows the third part means 3 by 8. Thank you. And finally, the puzzle rings. Thank you.
We have to so that we request our welcoming team to welcome Mrs. Sylvia DSP. Now you can see the bottom is being
This is what we were hoping for. Thank you for coming. Thank you for making
Volga is the man. Chocolate is being transported. It is the world. So, do you like our chocolate mountain? Yes, Mom. It's a chocolate mountain. So from there, the hot chocolate. It's a bowl of chocolate you are seeing. It's a hot chocolate mountain here. From her, the hot chocolate. It's dreaming about to get. Any of your objects, cars, or anything. You lifting your video. Once the color bar is showing, we have to remove the object that we.
Good morning. Top wise सब जगह जल जाए.
Smart irrigation. Smart irrigation. যেখানে এই সেন্সরটা ডিটেক্ট করবে কোনটা শুকনো মাটি আছে. যখন মাটিটা শুকনো থাকবে তখন গাছ অটোমেটিক্যালি জল পাবে. আর যখন মাটিটা ভিজে থাকবে, এখানে আমরা জল নিয়ে দেখছি, তখন আর গাছ জল পাবে না.
এটা গ্রাফটিং প্ল্যান্ট যেখানে অনেক রকম কোয়ালিটিজ একটা সিঙ্গেল প্ল্যান্টে করা হয়েছে. এখানে যেমন 3 রকম ফুল একটা গাছে হয়েছে.
Which is a reducing agent. Typically it works 50 or right.
कहने का मतलब है कि हाँ मतलब इस टाइम में मतलब कैपेसिटी मतलब कि 7.5 का.
Bend even during very heavy stress. So we can definitely conclude that it's been engineered in marble. Thank you so much.
Wire. It is completely wireless. How? So as I said, it is converting low voltage current into high voltage. Then here the plasma is getting generated, due to which electromagnetic waves are released. Then when we bring the light in the radius of the electromagnetic wave, it glows up.
Shabash, like Raja.
Stand in a restricted area for more than 3 seconds, the light will start to glow and it will be called as a fountain. The third one is Hawkeye system. It is a very sophisticated computer vision system. It is used to track the trajectory of the object like this ball and the people. It also uses multiple high-speed cameras to show our exhibition to Explorer Mix. This is the comparison between traditional business and e-business from the Department of Commerce. This is the model for e-business, and e-business has 4 types of e-business. That is
B2C is business to customer needs. It's never a half plus 11. We are going to demonstrate on the topic impact of social. Hindu temple dedicated to Lord Shiva is situated in Andhra Pradesh, built by Satavahana dynasty. Now come to Chandra Mahal. Then back to